What do you think? What do you think about ice fishing? Yeah, we got a couple tip-ups out there.
Yeah.
Packers aren't playing, so we're fishing and listening to the rest of the games. Is that your fish call? Is that your fish call?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're waiting for one of them to go up. When they go up, you gotta yell, "Tip up!" Okay?
Is there one there?
Yeah, you tell them to bite. You tell them to bite. Oh, we got a flag, Girly. We got a flag. Come on, we gotta go. Nothing down there. Oh, is it moving? Never mind. Might be something there. Here. Should we try? Watch out. Stand back. Stay there.
No.
Really? I don't think anything's there, Girly, but check it out. I was wrong. Something there. Huh? How about a walleye? Hmm?